because I think traditional estate planning goal, right, is saying, let's protect our material wealth from probate and taxes, right? We don't want to pay probate, we don't want to pay taxes. A noble goal, and I'm going to let everybody hear in on a secret. It's not that hard, okay? I can protect your money from probate and taxes all day long and twice on Sunday. Piece of cake, all right? The problem is, right, the real trick to doing this right is what's the impact when those defining moments in real people's lives actually happen, right? What about when your spouse gets a disability, right? What about when your spouse becomes disabled and you have to take care of them? How does that impact your life? How does that impact your plan and your children and the things that you want to do? What happens when your spouse goes into a nursing home? How do you pay for it? Who do you talk to? How do you wade through that? Do you have to sell your house? Do you not have to sell your house? Do you go bankrupt?